How to fix Netflix not playing any videos. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget the network, keep a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, update your Netflix app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, sign out and sign back in. Launch your Netflix app, click on profile icon and select sign out, re-enter your credentials and try again. Next, launch settings, disable VPN or any proxies. Netflix often blocks content playback on VPNs or proxies. Next, check for outages. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website, search for Netflix. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, delete Netflix app from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Netflix app, select remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Netflix not playing any videos. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.